Did you know law schools are basically running the most expensive con game in America? Here's how they do it. The brochure shows students arguing before the Supreme Court, fighting injustice, becoming constitutional law scholars who change the world through prestigious careers. Reality check: you're reviewing insurance contracts in a windowless basement for $35,000 a year while drowning in $200,000 of debt. They promised you'd be the next constitutional law scholar. You became a traffic ticket specialist. They said you'd change the world. You help corporations avoid taxes. They sold you a prestigious career. You're a document review temp working nights. Here's the moment every new lawyer realizes they got scammed. Most successful law school graduates never actually practice law. They become real estate agents, consultants, anything but lawyers. The bitter truth? Law schools are profit centers selling dreams to pay professors who also never practiced law. They're getting rich while you're getting destroyed. The house always wins. And you're not the house.